Guys, this is the easiest way to make money online, and it's in digital marketing, okay? You can average $900 a day by working 2 hours a day and working in this program that is going to set you up for success, okay? All it takes is 2 hours a day, going live, making TikToks, and just being you and enjoying your life, okay? All you need to do is invest in a program that is going to help you. It is not an MLM. It is not affiliate marketing. It is not a pyramid scheme. It is digital marketing you want to get yourself into. It is blowing up right now, okay? It is literally life-changing, all right? All you need to do is have commitment, consistency, and be coachable. Willing to learn is going to get you what you need to be successful. So think about it. Think about how you want to end 2024 and what kind of financial freedom you might want. Okay? I'm happy to share my tips and secrets with you. Drop a 1 below and I will help you with your next steps.